Welcome back, everybody. Today we're diving into something pretty cool. We're looking at an apartment designed entirely by AI.
Entirely by AI?
Yeah. So we've got this detailed description of the place. It was designed using
What's it called?
Mogiverse. It's this app you can use for interior design.
Oh, interesting.
And the whole apartment is decked out in gray. And some kind of special laminate. I'm curious to see how they pulled that off.
Yeah, a whole apartment in gray and laminate. That could go in a lot of directions.
Right. So let's jump in and see what this AI came up with.
Okay, sounds good.
So first off, the client wanted a space that was luxurious and sophisticated, but also functional, of course.
Makes sense. So how did the AI tackle that?
Well, it seems like it went with a pretty minimalist modern style, using gray as the main color throughout.
Gray. That's interesting. I mean, it can be a really versatile color.
Yeah, but a whole apartment in gray. I'm kind of picturing a sea of gray right now.
Yeah, it could be a bit much. So tell me, how did the AI prevent it from feeling too monotonous?
That's where things get interesting. So the AI used this special type of laminate for all the furniture called nano-painted laminate.
Nano-painted. I'm not familiar with that.
I wasn't either. Apparently, it's extremely durable and easy to clean.
Oh, okay. So perfect for a modern lifestyle then.
Exactly. And it comes in all sorts of colors and finishes, which I guess gave the AI some flexibility.
Yeah, that makes sense. So even though gray was the dominant color, did the AI use other colors to kind of break it up?
Yes, it did. For example, the cabinets, they have light-colored doors, but the frames are gray.
Oh, that's a nice touch. Like a two-tone effect?
Yeah, exactly. So it's not just a big block of gray. And then there's the marble.
Oh, marble. Okay, now we're talking. That definitely adds a touch of luxury.
Right. It's in the countertops, the flooring,
Yeah.
even some of the furniture.
I'm intrigued. So we've got gray as the base, pops of lighter colors, and luxurious marble accents. What about the layout itself? How's the apartment structured?
Well, the AI went with an open layout, connecting the living and dining areas.
Open layouts are great for making a space feel larger.
Right. And it sounds like there's a lot of natural light coming in from large windows.
Oh, that's always a plus.
So you walk into the living room, and there's this big L-shaped sofa.
What color is the sofa?
It says it's a creamy beige with gray cushions. So still sticking with the gray, but a softer shade.
Nice. That sounds cozy.
And then in front of the sofa is a marble coffee table with dark wood legs.
Okay, I'm liking this. What else is in the living room?
Let's see. The AI also included some wall-mounted shelves made from that nano-painted laminate, for books and things.
It's interesting how the AI is incorporating that material throughout the space.
Yeah, it definitely creates a sense of cohesion.
Absolutely. Did the AI add any art to the living room?
Oh, yes. There's a large piece of artwork with an ocean theme.
An ocean theme. Interesting.
I think it was meant to bring in a splash of color and create a calming vibe.
I can see that. What about lighting? How's the living room lit?
It's got recessed ceiling lights for that nice, clean white light.
Very modern.
Plus, of course, all that natural light pouring in from the windows.
So lots of the natural light. That's fantastic.
It really sounds like a bright and inviting space.
Yeah, I'm starting to get a good feel for it.
Yeah.
So the living room is open to the dining area.
Yes. And to tie the two spaces together, they both have the same white marble flooring.
That's a nice touch. It creates a sense of flow.
Right. And then for the dining area itself, the AI chose a marble dining table.
I'm guessing it's similar in style to the coffee table.
Yeah. And there are chairs in a coordinating beige and a modern pendant light hanging above the table.
Nice. Did the AI include anything else in the dining area?
It also added a bench along one side of the table for extra seating.
Oh, that's a good idea. Perfect for larger gatherings.
So far, everything feels very cohesive and well thought out.
Definitely. Okay, I'm ready to see what this AI did with the kitchen.
The kitchen is designed in an L shape to maximize space and functionality.
L-shaped kitchens are always so efficient.
And it has those same two-tone laminate cabinets. Light doors, gray frames.
Okay, and I'm assuming the countertops are marble.
You guessed it. White marble countertops.
So luxurious. Did the AI go all out with the appliances too?
Oh, absolutely. The appliances are all modern and high-end in black and silver.
Very sleek.
And it has a built-in refrigerator.
Ooh, now that's fancy.
Yeah, it really adds to that luxury apartment feel.
It sounds like the AI really considered every detail in this kitchen.
It did. I can't wait to check out the bedroom and bathroom.
Me too. Let's head there next. So the master bedroom. It sounds like it was designed as a real sanctuary.
Okay, a sanctuary. I like that. So how did the AI create that feeling?
Well, there's a lot of soft natural light coming in.
Peaceful.
And the walls are painted a calming shade of gray.
Sticking with that gray, huh?
Yep. But for the flooring, they used a light wood.
Oh, that's nice. Add some warmth.
Exactly. And then for the furniture, there's a comfortable bed with a beige headboard and soft gray accents in the bedding.
It all sounds very serene and coordinated.
It is. The AI also included a large built-in wardrobe.
With those two-tone cabinets again.
You know it. Gray vase, white doors.
That's smart. It keeps the design consistent throughout the entire apartment.
Right. And it's not just about the big pieces. The AI thought of the smaller details, too. There are 2 bedside tables, probably made of wood or laminate.
With lamps, I imagine.
Probably, yeah. And there's a small vanity, too.
Yeah.
With a mirror and storage for all those things.
So far, so good. It all sounds very practical and organized. But did the AI add anything just for fun, to make it feel more relaxed?
Oh, we did. Get this. There's a beanbag chair in the corner.
A beanbag chair. I love that. It's like a little invitation to just plop down and relax.
Exactly. It kind of softens up the sophisticated vibe of the room.
So we've got this calming bedroom with pops of warmth from the wood floor and a touch of playfulness with that beanbag chair.
Yeah, it's really well balanced. Now, are you ready for the bathroom?
Hit me with it. I'm ready to be wowed.
Well, the bathroom is all about marble.
No surprise there.
But imagine this. The walls are covered in marble.
Okay.
The floor is covered in marble.
Wow, that's a lot of marble.
It is. And it's that same beautiful white marble with the gray veining. So luxurious.
I can picture it. Very spa-like.
Right. And then the vanity is sleek white laminate with, you guessed it, a marble countertop. And above the vanity, there's a large mirror with built-in lighting.
Fancy.
Very modern. What about the shower?
Oh, there's got to be a shower, right?
There is. It's a glass enclosure so the light can flow through. Keeps the space feeling open.
Okay, so they really kept that airy vibe going throughout the whole apartment.
They did. And of course, all the bathroom accessories are in black or silver to match the appliances.
It sounds like the AI really did an amazing job creating a cohesive and stylish design.
It did. So what are your overall thoughts? What are some of the key strengths you see in this design?
I think the consistent use of gray and neutral colors is really effective. It creates a sense of harmony throughout the space. And that nano-painted laminate for the furniture sounds like a great choice.
Durable and easy to clean. Perfect for a modern lifestyle.
Exactly. But, I think a lot of our listeners are probably curious about the bigger picture here. What does this AI-generated design mean for the future of interior design?
That's a great question. It's definitely a topic that's generating a lot of buzz right now. Do you think AI is going to replace human designers?
I don't know. It's hard to say.
Right. I mean, look at what the AI accomplished here. This apartment is amazing.
It is. It's stylish. It's functional. It's personalized. But is it missing something? I'm not sure.
That's an interesting thought. Is there something that a human designer would bring to the table that an AI might miss?
Maybe. Like that intuition you were talking about earlier. Or that ability to connect with the client on a personal level and translate their vision into a space that feels truly unique to them.
I see what you mean. So maybe it's not about AI versus humans, but rather about AI and humans working together.
Collaborating, yeah. I think that's a much more likely scenario. The AI could handle the technical aspects of design, like generating floor plans and sourcing materials.
Right. And human designers can focus on the creative and personal aspects, adding those finishing touches that make a space feel special.
Exactly. It's like having a design partner who just happens to be a super smart computer.
A partner who can access a massive database of design knowledge and instantly generate a million different options.
It would definitely streamline the process. But what about people who can't afford to hire a professional designer? Do you think AI could make design services more accessible?
I think it has the potential to. There are already apps out there that can help people create basic designs and visualize different options.
And those are just going to get more sophisticated over time, right?
Absolutely. Imagine being able to use an app to design your dream home without needing any prior design experience.
That's pretty amazing. But it also raises some questions like, what about data privacy?
That's a valid concern. If these AI tools are collecting data about our preferences and habits, we need to make sure that data is being used responsibly.
Right. And we also need to be mindful of potential bias in AI algorithms. If the AI is trained on data sets that reflect existing societal biases, it could end up perpetuating those biases in its designs.
Absolutely. Those are important considerations.
It's definitely something we need to be thinking about as this technology continues to evolve.
Agreed. It's exciting, but we need to be cautious too.
It really makes you think, huh? Could you imagine living in a home designed by an algorithm?
It's a fascinating idea, isn't it?
Sure.
I mean, think about it. The AI could look at like all your Pinterest boards, Instagram likes, even your online shopping history to get a sense of your style.
So it would know me better than I know myself.
Right. And then it could create this space that's perfectly tailored to you.
It would be super efficient, that's for sure. But I don't know, I kind of like the idea of, stumbling upon a cool piece of furniture at a flea market or being inspired by a random color palette I see somewhere.
I get it. There's something to be said for those happy accidents and that intuitive feeling you get when you find something that just clicks.
Exactly. Design isn't just about, following a formula. It's about capturing a feeling, creating a space that feels right.
And that's where I think the human element will always be essential.
So maybe the future of design isn't about choosing between AI or humans. Maybe it's about finding ways for them to work together.
Like a collaboration.
Yeah. The AI could provide the technical expertise, the efficiency, and the human designer could bring the creativity and the personal touch.
I like that. Like imagine having this AI design partner who can instantly generate a million different options for you based on your preferences.
That would be amazing. It would save so much time and effort.
And then you could work with a human designer to refine those options and add those special touches that really make a house a home.
I think that's a future a lot of people could get behind. But what about people who don't have, a big budget for interior design? Could AI make it more accessible?
I definitely think so. There are already a ton of apps and programs that can help people with different aspects of design, like, generating floor plans, choosing color schemes, even sourcing furniture.
And those are only going to get better, right?
Absolutely.
Yep.
Imagine a world where anyone can design their dream home using AI, even if they've never done any design work before.
That's pretty cool. But I also wonder about the potential downsides. Like, what about data privacy?
Yeah, that's a big one. If we're giving these AI tools access to all this personal information, we need to make sure that information is being protected.
And what about bias? If the AI is trained on biased data, it could end up creating designs that reflect those biases.
Right. So there are definitely ethical considerations that we need to be thinking about.
It's exciting technology, but we need to use it responsibly.
I totally agree.
Well, I think this has been a really insightful deep dive. We've seen how AI can be used to create incredible spaces like this minimalist apartment we've been talking about. And we've explored some of the broader implications of AI for the future of design.
Yeah, it's a rapidly evolving field, and it's going to be interesting to see where it goes from here.
It is. So for our listeners out there, we'll leave you with this thought. Take a look around your own home. What do you love about it? What would you change? And could you imagine using AI to help you create a space that's even more you? Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.